Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The Ferrari 250 GT is one of the most iconic and celebrated models in Ferrari's history, produced between 1953 and 1964. Known for its elegance, performance, and racing pedigree, the 250 GT series had several variants, each with unique characteristics. Here are the detailed aspects of this legendary car. 1. Design and body styles. Coach builders, designed by several famed coach builders, including Pininfarina, Scaglietti, and Bertone. Body styles, offered in multiple configurations such as Berlinetta Coupe, known for its sporty yet elegant design. Cabriolet convertible, sleek and luxurious, offering open-top driving. Spider California, the most desirable version, favored by Hollywood celebrities. Aerodynamics, designed with racing in mind, featuring a lightweight body and streamlined design for optimal speed and handling. 2. Engine and performance. Engine type, V12, known as the Colombo V12, named after engineer Gioacchino Colombo. Displacement, 3.0 liters 2,953 cubic centimeters. Power output, ranged from 240 to 280 horsepower depending on the variant. Top speed, approximately 240 km/h 149 miles per hour for racing versions. Transmission, 4-speed or 5-speed manual gearbox, depending on the model. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.0 seconds, impressive for its time. 3. Chassis and suspension. Chassis, tubular steel frame, providing a lightweight yet rigid structure. Suspension, front, double wishbone with coil springs. Rear, live axle with leaf springs and hydraulic shock absorbers. Brakes, initially drum brakes, later models featured disc brakes for improved stopping power. 4. Interior and features. Luxury and craftsmanship, handcrafted interiors with leather upholstery, wooden steering wheel, and classic gauges. Comfort, despite being a sports car, the 250 GT offered relative comfort and style, suitable for grand touring. Dashboard, simple and elegant with analog dials, reflecting the car's racing heritage. 5. Variants and special editions. 250 GT Berlinetta SWB short wheelbase, famous for its agility and success in racing. Shorter wheelbase improved cornering and handling. 250 GT Lusso, a luxurious variant, known for its elegant design and refined interior. 250 GT California Spider, an open-top version designed for the American market. Extremely rare and highly collectible. 250 GTO, the most legendary variant, designed specifically for racing. Only 36 units produced, making it one of the most valuable cars in the world. 6. Racing heritage. Success on track, dominated in racing events, including the Le Mans and Tour de France Automobile. Drivers, driven by legendary racers like Stirling Moss and Phil Hill. Achievements, multiple victories in endurance races. Established Ferrari's reputation as a leader in motorsport. 7. Collectability and value. Rarity and value, highly sought after by collectors. Auction prices for the 250 GTO have exceeded $70 million, making it one of the most expensive cars ever sold. Investment potential, due to its historical significance and rarity, its value continues to appreciate. 8. Legacy and influence. Influence on Ferrari design, set design standards for future Ferrari GT cars. Inspired the styling of modern Ferraris. Cultural icon, featured in movies and owned by celebrities like Steve McQueen and James Coburn. Would you like to see images of different variants or learn more about any specific model or its racing history? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.